In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the left side of the screen where the sidebar displays your folders and labels. This is where all your Gmail labels appear. To quickly delete a label, locate the label you want to remove in the sidebar. Move your mouse over that label and hover your cursor on it. When you do this, 3 vertical dots will appear to the right side of the label name. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the Label Options menu. From the menu, select Remove Label. Gmail will ask you to confirm the deletion, confirm the action, and the label will immediately disappear from your label list. That's the fastest way to remove a label from your Gmail sidebar. If you prefer a more detailed way to manage labels, you can also delete them through Gmail settings. To do this, go to the top right corner of Gmail and click the gear icon. From the settings panel, click See All Settings to open the full settings page. At the top of the settings page, click the Labels tab. This is where Gmail organizes both system labels and custom labels. At the top of the list, you will see system labels such as Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Important. These labels are built into Gmail, so they cannot be deleted. However, you can choose to show or hide them in the sidebar. For example, if you hide the important label, it won't appear in your main label list anymore and will instead be placed under the More section of the sidebar. You will also see category labels such as Promotions or Social, which can be shown or hidden depending on your preference. Scroll further down until you reach the Custom Labels section, and these are the labels that you created yourself. On the right side of each label, you will see options such as Edit or Remove. Under the Actions column, to delete a label from the section, click Remove next to the label you want to delete. Gmail will ask you to confirm the action. Click Delete to complete the process. If you need to remove additional labels, simply repeat the same steps for each one. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.